Hey guys, it's Steph. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I transform a mirror that my mom gave me back to its original glory. It is a beautiful antique mirror from the 18th century, and somebody had painted it before she bought it, this white color, so it now has sort of a mixed shabby chic look to it. I'm not really sure, but I want to bring it back to what it would have originally looked like. So I'll be showing you the products that I'm using, step-by-step instructions so you can achieve this look as well, and we'll just get started. Okay, we're ready to get started with the project. So make sure that you're outside or in a well-ventilated area, and we're going to take some black or brown paint. I'm using a dark brown color here, and get a nice coat all the way around the entire frame or mirror, whatever it is that you are working on. In my case, I want to cover up any of that white color and get a nice dark base. This is going to act as a nice background color for when we add the gold layer on top. Once you're done with that, then we're going to move on to the rub and buff. I'm using the color Grecian Gold, and I'm taking a dry bristle brush, dabbing that into the product and kind of swiping it over and trying to get any of the high points while still leaving that dark background color coming through. This just gives that aged look that we're going for. You can also use a rag and buff that product out as well. And the rag is just another way of applying the product. You'll see me at the end using it on the side because it's easier on the flat surface. And here I'm using a smaller brush to get into those corners and get any of the detail spots that I can't get with the larger brush. But overall, this is a really easy product to use. It's really fun and it always turns out amazing. So I'm just gonna finish up this side here and then I'll do the final reveal. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you try this product or if you have any questions. I'll answer them in the comments below. And subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!